can start again. Like if you actually
Start
want
the
to do
video
this
again.
legit.
Yeah, no, this is it. This is it. This is what we're gonna get.
Alright, mic's on. When he does on the record, we'll record it.
Baby.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's fun.
Yo. Naylor. On
It's
the
gonna
beat.
take third time lucky. Third time lucky.
We call him Nelia. He's the saviour.
Yo, thanks for the callback. Sarcastic me and Liam Henner's on the track. Christmas Day, getting merry, don't think it's all that. Waiting on the man that delivers a white winter.
Ain't faced by a little prick like a splinter. I'll eat you up like a Christmas dinner. We're winners, not sinners. Our rums are fat, yours are thinner. And we've been inclined to get leaner. Daniel leanest meet you ever, cause we've been billing the fat zoots. Yeah, we're Ebenezer, he's a good geezer.
I mentioning his name is an afterthought. True, you say you got tracks, but no one believes you. I've been known to risk it all, but I've got nothing to lose. And you won't spend a penny when you go to the lose.
Man's dropping gear like a drug fiend Santa. Man rolls up in a whip that a beater.
Leased up, paid off, new golf, not Rudolph.
Man's not getting in my way. Man's not stopping my sleigh. Man's not stopping me getting my wage, getting my pay. When did it get so dear to provide for the family, to live happily into the new year? Drink beer, buy gear. So
Yo, drink beer, buy gear. And I have seen my family and done with the pleasantries. And now it's time to smoke a little pleasantries. The festivities were nice, but now we're resting with ease and it's nicer. Sipping on a can of cider, smoking a fat zoo, a hydra with your brethren right beside you. This new year's gonna be the decider. Yo, I'm fucked with the sleigh, but I'm still slaying it. There's a lot of people on this day particularly praying it. I'm not about the presents, I'm all about the present. Today is in fact today, innit? Yo.
Santa Claus, a little applause, please. Providing bags of cheese like a 24-hour dealer, shotting drawers with ease. I'm not joking, cracking jokes, I got crackers and wine. I don't want to hear you bitching and whining. I'm sipping on a cocktail with a pinch of lime in.
it's prime to spend with family and friends. It's worth putting the time. Time on the turkey. Offbeat at a time and still smelling sweet with a pen. Past the mince pies again.
Rolling in, I'm rolling pigs in blankets. You should see the fucking size of them. And when I brought them out, they were squirrels like they were alive again.
I might split the sea of gravy like Moses. I might pitch a couple of your roasters. Your plight may have a lot, but mine's got the
Mosters.
That
We might have
be
to toast it.
Yeah. Cheers, boys. Merry Christmas.
That's the shit, we got that.
Down.